Hey there, class of 2023. I cannot believe we are getting ready to go through your senior enrollment, but I wanted to walk you through a few things. By now, you've had a chance to go through with me during your English class to go through the enrollment handbook. It has not been approved yet, so there might be still some changes, and that's okay. We will make those adjustments, but we need to go ahead and get started. So first thing you'll do is log into your PowerSchool. Over on the left-hand side, you will go to class registration and this will pop up. So let me go through a few things with you just so that we're all on the same page. And you should have your orange paper that you have completed. You've had that conversation with your parents, your seminar teacher. Everything is good to go. So you have this here in front of you. You are going to need to hand this in to your seminar teacher as well. So make sure that you have this finished and signed by both you and parent. So the first thing you get to is senior English. You are required to have a senior English class, and you will either choose Applied English 4, English 4, or College English. In the College English, if you're choosing to take College English, you will click both English Composition 101 and Research Writing, because it's each, this is the fall semester and this is the spring semester. They are $300 each, and in order to take it for the spring semester, you must take this in the fall semester as well. So those are the two that you need to click if you're going to do senior English or senior college English. English 4 is right here, and then Applied English is right here. If you do not have a box there to click, it means that you have not met those prerequisites, and those prerequisites would be over here on the side and in the course description. So just like it is in the handbook, everything is there. Make sure, let me move myself. Make sure that you click OK when you're ready to go to the next thing. So I see that I have Senior English 4. Our next step is going to be math. So you will click here. Again, if your prerequisites have not been met, there will be an alert over here and then no box that you would be able to select. So I'm going to be limited. Yours is going to look different than mine because I'm on a student preview. So depends on which class that you're wanting to go into. If you are wanting to take college algebra and calculus, or college algebra in the fall, elementary statistics in the spring, and calculus, those would, and you meet all those prerequisites, then you can click as many as you need to. Again, click and make sure that you put OK, and then it will show up here. You do have to have a unit of American government. If you choose to go ahead and have an additional history, government, or social science elective, it will be right there. And that does include the dual credits for Lebec Community College, Pittsburgh State, and then the LCC U.S. History. Click those and continue. Senior Science works the same way. However, whatever you need to do, remember you need both physical and biological sciences. You have to have 3 of those. If you have not already done your fine art, you'll need to make sure that you do that. You have business electives, technology electives, and then senior electives will be there as well, and this will have all of the courses. Make sure that you toggle through the pages so that you can find everything. If you notice that there is a class that is not listed, let me know. When you get to this section for senior alternatives, any alternate class, this is 2 additional classes that you have not already selected from previous choices. So anything above that you have not selected, you need to make 2 additional course selections that if you cannot get into those, then those 2 additional courses would be okay. So again, you have lots of page numbers here that you can can go through. Everything is in alphabetical order. So toggle through until you find what you want to. So when you are finished, mine is not finished. So it requires between 7 and 10 hours. And right now it shows that I'm requesting only 4 hours because I've only clicked on 4. So I am going to have to go back up and make sure that I have made the rest of my selections to equal a minimum of 7 hours. If you have CTEC, if you have something different, those may equate in different areas. If you have not had your CLP class yet, that is under senior electives, and it is the CLP Career and Life Planning. That is a half credit. That is CLP. So once you have this all done, once you have all 7 of them finished, then you will click Submit down here at the bottom right. You will turn your signed orange paper into your seminar teacher, and then we will begin our meetings. So if you have questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.